What is up, guys? BeardedReality here. So today I'm in like Lincolnshire Way and we're going to be doing this abandoned farm. It looks remote and derelict, but we're hearing shotgun to the background, so it's going to be quite a fun day, I think. I'm with Mick, Emma and Jason today, so do like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we are just going to crack to it and hopefully we won't die. So we're going to send in Jason first to investigate. We're gonna be sneaky.
Start singing and stuff and move on.
So we're on site. It's looking interesting. Again, lots of gunshots, but we will find out. Like, gotta bounce over this way. Again, this looks old and derelict, but with all these gunshots going on, God only knows. As soon as we've seen a new car though, you know we're dipping. Oh, it's boggy. It's like bog territory. Look at this. A lot of tractors on land. Oh shit. Where are we? Like, it's very boggy. Yeah, we're hearing a lot of gunshots. Well, we'll see if we get it. We'll get out of this alive, innit?
Why is it going like where's it going?
That's where it's going up to the other place, isn't it?
He's made his own little way out of the yard. He took all trees out. Yeah. He's made his own little. Oh mate, he feels too foot taller now.
That then, are they new tracks?
What?
See, look, you've got a house over there.
Yeah, as well. Solar panels.